Storm pretty much cleared it. Get back in here now. That's getting a little too steep and dangerous for me right there. I gotta be able to get back out of here. Wow, look at that purple stuff right there. That's a nice little pond right there. Okay, we're gonna try to go back now. Poison oak. Let's stay away from that. Whoa, Miss Ruby. Pretty good, sure-footed old gal, huh? Yes, you are. You decide you're going to go that way, huh, Miss Ruby? Come on. They're throwing their shitting tires down here. Good girl. You're such a wonderful little dog. Hopefully we don't cut your feet open today. This is the Worst I've ever walked in it. Look at that one, stopped right up there and balanced on it. Maybe somebody else put that there because I remember it had a bunch of rocks stood up there. There's more junk people throw down in here. Alright, you stay out of that water. Come on. Come on. Don't really want you drinking the stuff. Could have all kinds of stuff in it, Miss Ruby. Pesticides, oils, everything I don't want my dog getting into. Come on. Last big storm, it was raging through here. This is the most I've seen it all tore up. You'd think they'd come in this channel and clean it up some. Got lots of rocks to choose from now. Come on. Trying to get the old bugs that are flying now. Don't want to get one of them sweat bees in your mouth. It's nice that the water flow is heavy enough to clear the debris back there. We got to see a little bit more today. Come on, we're not cooling off there. We still got a ways to go, Miss Ruby. Come on. Daddy's tuckering you out today, huh? Yes, he is. He's tuckering out the old dog, huh? Oh, looking for the fleas again. We've been fighting fleas for a while now. I don't want to use no poison. I just keep vacuuming and giving her a shower inside the house. She's so good right now. When you say, come on, let's take a bath, she runs right in there and starts whining and so happy that the fleas are gone. That's one thing about Rottweilers. They do a lot of squeak talking. Let's see if we can get out of here without you getting hurt, Miss Ruby. You and me. That's weird, whatever that is. I'll have to scam out her old feet when we get home and see if she got any cuts. Usually we can walk in the soft sand. Come this way. Don't need you going through the old tumbleweed. No, you come this way. Come on. You're pretty good at jumping and finding a path, huh, Miss Ruby? Yes, you are. You're gonna go home today and take a long nap, huh? Okay, come on. Lots of asphalt and curbing. Get out of there. Come on. Come on. Don't have to worry too much about snakes because the water will wash them away. There's a big rock that fell out of there. Look at these boulders. They got knocked off the side there.